The next little part of the 48 step Tai Chi form is a lovely little sequence. I really like this one. So we finished having done grass peacock's tail. So we come to here. We sink up onto the left heel and we turn to the front, make fists and cross the arms in front with the right arm in front. If your feet feel a bit weird, you can always come up on the toes of the right foot, unwind it, and then you're taking a little step out to the right. And now we're going to do what I call the Travolta. The left hand comes down and pushes back, the right forearm lifts up, and when it gets to eye level, turn the palm to the sky and just bend your right knee slightly. That's the Travolta. I think it's called lean obliquely, but I think the Travolta is a much better word. A much better name rather. So we're there. We open the right hand, we open the left hand, come up on the heel of the right foot, and we slap across and pull that hand back to the top of the ball. Meanwhile, the left hand will pull the weight into the right leg so we can come up on the left toes and we can pull in to hold the ball on the right. Small part wild horse's mane. So we step out, right hand slides down, left hand comes up. The left hand is going to continue around and down to the left, while the right one comes up and around to the right. And then step in, right to left. Your left fingertips are going to point upwards and come in, inside and up. So as they're going up, the right hand is coming down. And once they pass each other, that is once your thumb gets past the left elbow, make a fist and stop moving the left hand as well. Extend your heel forwards and turn that hand to face forwards as well. And that is called fist under elbow. And this is one of the few instances in any of the forms where it just tells you what the thing actually is. It's a fist under the elbow. So what we did, we'd finished our grass peacock's tail, turned up on the heel, make the fists, sink back, little step, Travolta, slap across, pull in, hold the ball, small part wild horse's mane, continue round with both hands as you step in, left one comes inside, make the fist and straighten, and then onto the heel. That's kind of enough to make a little sequence in and of itself, but because the next move is the one that we've done, we're just going to chuck it in there. So we have fist under elbow, we do step back and whirl arms 4 times, exactly the same as in the 24. So extend that one, turn it, come around, step in and back, push through, turn, step in and back, push through, turn, step in and back, push through, turn, step in and back, push through. We do not pull back into grass peacock's tail this time. We do step to 4 corners, which is really nice, and that's the last bit we're going to do in this little sequence. So step in, left to right, straighten this left arm and bring the right hand to that shoulder. And the reason for that is, so that's going to block there and that's going to block there, and we're going to kind of lead with the shoulder. So that's corner number 1. So I step out and I step in. And then I swap the arms over, so now the right one is straight. That's corner number 2. So I step out and step in. I swap the hands, that's corner number 3. And there's only one corner left, so I swap the hands over and I step out and step in. And that is where we're going to kind of pause that little section. I really like that one for some reason. I think it's because when you pull in, when you're actually doing it, you do make it far more flowy in the movie than when you're doing it in slow motion. So that entire sequence, let's do it facing this way. So where was I? We finish. We did our grass peacock's tail. We turn, cross the hands, Travolta, pull in to hold the ball, small part wild horse's mane, fist under elbow, 1, 2, 3, 4, step in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is our last little bit on this section. If I kind of seem as if I'm looking around puzzled, it's because with this one, you will probably find you end up having focal points where you do it. So whenever I do this in a different environment, or an environment that I haven't done it in for a while, I sometimes lose what direction I'm going in, because you do turn around quite a lot in this one, or you use angles more rather. So that's what's going on. So just to make sure I've got this right, we've done our final grass peacock's tail movement there, or pull and push. Our Travolta, pull in, small part wild horse's mane, fist under elbow, 1, 2, 3, 4, pull in, corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4. You will notice when I do fist under elbow myself, or you might have noticed when I do fist under elbow myself, I tend to do more that. Whoops. I tend to do more that, rather than kind of a very linear straight up and down. It's kind of up to you. When I first learned it, you learn it kind of as what's happening. One's going up, one's coming down, and then you do that. What I find easier and a bit nicer is to do it that way. But play around with it, by all means play around with it and see what you like. So that was our next little section in the 48 step form.